Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time, I know that, but I'm gonna try and revive this. My guest here today has a cold. She's got a little bit of cough, but it's on the up and up, right? Yeah, so she is my roommate and she's also British. So I thought it'd be really fun to start this video. To start my new, it's been a really long time since I posted, and so the kickoff of this new era with a really fun video. And I thought British versus America, like trivia, while doing a British person's makeup. Now, can you please verify that you're British?
I am British.
Mm-hmm.
Contrary to popular belief.
There's actually a guy that I was kind of seeing, and he was also British, and he didn't believe she was British. Yeah, that's that story. So this is a pore filling primer. I don't think she's super comfortable with this. This is a pore filling primer, so it's gonna fill with the silicone all of your pores, so that when you put foundation on, it's not gonna be, it's not gonna sink into those pores and fine lines as easily as it would without. As you might be able to notice, Harley and I aren't the same skin tone. I'm kind of pale. So I can't use any of my foundations to do her makeup, so we have one of her foundations, but Harley isn't super into makeup, so she hasn't worn this in a while. I don't even know if they still package double wear like this.
I got it last academic year.
Your shade is tawny. Also, this is, maybe they package it differently in different countries. I don't know. I also haven't worked with this foundation in a really long time. But do you remember when everyone was obsessed with this? Okay, so I do have some questions. Okay, so first, with every makeup step that I apply, I'm gonna quiz Harley on American history. I wanna see how she does. I got this idea from BuzzFeed. So it's really basic, and then maybe if it goes well, she can get me back and quiz me about British history. Who is the current Vice President of the United States?
Right now?
Yes.
Oh, that's Mike Pence.
Okay, that was, oh my god, this is such a watery consistency. Oh, it'll be fine.
Yeah, it's a lighter one.
It will be fine.
It's lighter than the regular one. I remember that when I bought it. Oh.
Girl, I know how to catch foundation.
I don't know if it is actually my shade, but it's supposed to be.
Okay, who are three people that signed the Declaration of Independence?
Jefferson.
Okay.
We go to UVA, I think. He's everywhere, so I just assume he did everything.
Well, he wrote the Declaration of Independence.
Okay, so I guess he did sign it too.
Yeah.
Washington, he's quite important.
Honestly, I don't even know the answer to this question.
Who else?
I couldn't fact check
There's
it.
the Adams dude.
That is true.
And the Madison dude. If you do it, he was bros with Jefferson, wasn't he?
So we have her foundation on. It's actually not a horrible color match. Like, it's definitely not the worst color match that has happened, because
had it matched in Canterbury, England.
So British. What would you say has been the biggest culture shock since moving here?
Not being able to walk to the grocery store.
That's not a
Yes, it is. In England, the grocery stores are on the high street.
I don't know what a high street is. Main
Street. And the size of the cars. And the size of the rain. That's a weird rain.
No, we got...
No, you got rain.
So, the cars are big. What about the people? Is there a difference?
Everyone's friendlier, but then again, I'm from London, where it's just the rule: keep your head down and don't talk to anyone. It's unspoken, but we all live by it.
Okay.
No, if you go on the tube, look around. You know who's a tourist, because they're the one trying to talk to everyone or looking around. Everyone else is just down on their phone or reading a book that they think will impress everyone.
I saw a woman reading 50 Shades of Grey
on
the subway. I was like...
The woman who wrote 50 Shades of Grey went to my university back in England. University of Kent.
Wait, she's British?
Yeah.
We have you to thank for that.
But, as I always say to her, we also gave you Harry Styles.
God bless. What's the biggest difference, like, does American University, like, live up to all of its TV glory?
Frat houses are gross. On TV, they look nicer.
On TV, they look nicer? You heard it here. What do you think is the biggest misconception of Americans on, like, television? Or do you think we're very accurately portrayed?
Yes and no, it depends.
Oh no.
No, like, well, remember my dad is American and half my family are American, so I never really thought it was exactly how it is on TV.
Well,
but then again,
the
we're
thing is,
not.
your dad grew up in the islands, which
but in England,
is
we're
so
not exactly
different
how
from
we are on
mainland.
TV either. I feel British TV either makes us look really trashy or really proper.
I love that. The Crown.
Or magical.
Wait, do you mean The Crown isn't like everyone's everyday life? Because I feel lied to. If you're telling me The Crown isn't your daily life.
Well, I do have tea with the Queen on Wednesdays.
Only on Wednesdays. What is a nickel?
Oh, 5 cents.
Oh, you got it. I don't know why, but it must be how I'm applying with this eye. There's a lot of fallout here. Which we do not like, but I can go back over that with... My fingers are so stained. I love that. Name an NHL team.
A what?
An NHL team.
National...
Well, can she guess what an NHL team is?
H. I know what the NFL is. What's H? Hockey.
Now we're gonna contour. Do you contour?
No, I'm not entirely sure what it is.
So I think this shade would look really pretty on you. This pinker shade, which is called Charming. Oh, that is a pigmented.
I haven't worn blush in years. I mean, literally in about 15 years.
Why did you wear blush as a baby?
Well, I had like those like Barbie makeup kits and stuff.
My mom didn't.
And I thought I was really good, and I used to cover myself, like basically my entire eye area in blue eyeshadow because I didn't understand.
Why was it always blue eyeshadow? Like Barbie wore blue eyeshadow. Why don't you tell them about your newest addiction to Kylie Cosmetics?
Oh, well, first I bought 4, and then later that night I bought 2 more, and they arrived this week. And
I haven't used them.
Problem is, I'm not very good at putting on lipstick. So I have all these lipsticks, but I don't know how to put them on.
These aren't even like cheap lipsticks. These are like
Because my lip kind of just blends into my skin here and here, and I don't really know what. My lips just kind of, they're not very defined.
That's not true. You've got beautiful.
Yes,
People would kill for your lips.
Yes, but
People pay for your lips.
But they blend in, and they kind of blend into my skin, and I can't really see the line ever.
Okay, well we're gonna change that. Let's highlight. I have tried probably all of the highlighters. One of my favorites is limited edition, but I really hope they're still making this. The Anne Marie Anastasia. Their kits are great, but honestly, these single ones are what I live for. These single ones, and I'm still working on how I feel about this Fenty one because it's so it has chunky bits of glitter, and I think it looks really pretty all over the body, but I'm not getting like a concentrated like strobe look on my face like it seems like other people are getting, and I'm wondering like what I'm missing here. Are you glowing? Aww. Someone glowing? Glow, 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 glow. Oh my goodness. Glow. I love this. I love this. I always tell everyone they need more glow, and they're like, this girl has just like got lip kits out the wazoo. This is what I wanted. You wanted red. Red's her favorite color. This is the iconic Mary Jo K. We love Kylie. How do you feel?
Red.
Do you like it? Yeah. How do you... Oh, this is so cute. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, this is so cute. I'm gonna cry. She's so cute.
But I'm dying.
Yes. This was kind of our fail of a British versus American makeup thing. Harley lives with me, so she's not that hard to get a hold of, surprisingly. So if you'd like to see her again on this channel, give this video a thumbs up. Who else should I have in my beauty corral, and what video should I do next?